Howdy folks, my name is Seth and I have an entrepreneurial business model that I've been trying to get out into the world for quite a while. Welcome to what I'm calling the Smardder business model. Smardder is the consulting business that I have. So here we go. The introduction. I started working full-time in my family's manufacturing shop when I was 9 years old. I'd been in business ever since. I earned a bachelor's and master's degree, managed a $30 million warehouse, and have also owned, grown, and sold multiple companies along the way. On paper, I was doing everything right, but the truth was, I was burnt out, frustrated, and stuck inside a system that felt broken from the beginning. I was doing what everyone said I was supposed to do: grow, scale, hustle, reinvest, repeat. But I wasn't living, I wasn't free, and I realized that most business advice is focused on the wrong goals. It tells us to chase growth at all costs, even when what we really want is more time, more peace, and more control over our lives. I didn't want a business that ran me. I wanted a business that served me. So I started over. I built a new plan, one that prioritized lifestyle over constant growth, one that focused on freedom, not just profit. But this is not just about travel or chasing adventure. It's about taking back control, about deciding for yourself how you will live, work, and spend your time. Whether you want to write a book, raise a family, build quietly in your community, or explore the world, this approach can work for you. This book is a simpler, smarter approach to business for people who want more than just money. They want purpose. They want ownership over their time. They want to build a business that fits the life they chose. And I believe we can build it. This is how. If any of this resonates with you, I would love to hear your inputs on this. I would love to talk to you. I would love any help actually getting this out into the world. I also have a consulting company going right now. So if you own a business right now, that's really who I am working with. If you've already got some money coming in and you're willing to invest in it, or I'm also open to talking with people who just want to start in this process. Most of who I work with are already existing entrepreneurs, but I am here to hear your inputs. I really am just trying to get this new way of creating a life that you want out into the world. So that is what I have for now. I will continue to expand on these ideas, but I would appreciate it if you would follow the journey, share this thing, all the influencer stuff. I am trying to find the people that this resonates with, and I would love to hear from you, and I would love to get this out into the world. So, all right, thank you folks for your time. I will be seeing you later.